Many of you in the Valley have been clobbered by skyrocketing car insurance rates. They're actually some of the highest in the country. It's frustrating for so many people, including those who have clean driving records.
So what is driving these increases and what can you do about it? Joe Vigil has been digging for answers and asked our state insurance commissioner some pointed questions to find out. It's a special report you'll only see on Fox 5.
Well, Karen Kreider-Phillips jokes how she nearly goes into cardiac arrest when opening her car insurance premiums.
Nevadans are getting drilled every time we turn around. Electric, natural gas, car insurance premiums, drilled 1, 2, and 3.
She has a 10-year-old car and says she gets a good driver discount.
I don't have traffic violations, moving violations, or any accidents for years, many years.
But says her insurance still went up $40 a month. Now, to some, that may not sound like a lot, but to others, like Karen,
I had to sit down and really think, do I go to CVS and pick up my medicine? Or do I go to the grocery for food?
Karen is not alone in her financial frustration. X exploded when we asked about rising insurance rates. Even with the safe driving discount, my rates increased 14%, said one person. Mine went up by $100. They said hospitalization and repair costs, it's ridiculous. I'm paying $424 a month. They just did a second increase this year on my policy. It's insane. Every single renewal without fail. No tickets, no accidents.
Why is it handed down across the board to everyone? I need answers. Everyone needs answers.
Well, we went straight to the top, to the Nevada Insurance Commissioner for answers to Karen's question.
And I've had so many people write in and say, no tickets, no accidents. Why me? Why are my insurance rates going up? Why can't a bad driver's insurance rates go up? Why me? What would you tell them?
That's the nature of insurance, which is, pooling of risk for the greater good.
We are all bundled together when it comes to our rates, a fact of life.
And I've never had a claim or an accident, but our rates keep going up.
Question: why are car insurance rates going up so much here in Nevada? Well, first, all the accidents.
Unfortunately, Clark County, because it's grown so fast and is in a relatively compact space, you've got more drivers driving more. The freeway system and certainly the level of construction that's going on down there is contributing to the high cost of insurance as well.
State Farm, one of the largest auto insurers in the state, echoed to Fox 5 some of what Commissioner Kipper said. Coming out of the pandemic, there has been an increase in the frequency and severity of auto claims. On top of that, auto claim costs are being compounded by inflation and supply chain disruptions. All of this has increased the cost of labor and materials, which translates to higher auto repair costs. During a Nevada Division of Insurance webinar last fall, which focused on rising car insurance rates, one group that represents insurers said inflation was the highest it's been in 4 decades, and auto replacement costs went up 3 times inflation, and that contributed to pushing rates higher. The state approved some double-digit % increases for some insurance companies that asked for rate adjustments, but say it wasn't without rigorous discussion to make sure increases weren't excessive and were supported by data. The state says some of those companies that got increases showed underwriting losses in the state, big losses in some cases.
What is the message to when you talk to these insurance companies? I mean, are you saying, hey, these are so high right now? I mean, it's like you've got to, you got to back off. You got to do something.
They turn around and say, but look at our expenses. Our expenses are greater than the dollars that we're charging.
So what are some solutions to help you? Question: how can you lower your rates?
I do my research. I shop around.
That's one answer. You can shop around by choosing one of the nearly 130 companies that wrote auto insurance policies in Nevada in 2023. And more answers. Bundle your home insurance with car insurance. You can get a discount with State Farm by using technology that tracks driving habits, including how much you drive, fast starts and stops, and cornering. And Kreider-Phillips gets a discount for paying her premiums in full every 6 months. Her rate includes just her driving one car and sees a $117 monthly good driver discount, which all may be needed to keep up with rising car insurance rates.
Do pay, are we among the highest rates in the country? we don't see that changing for any appreciable time in the future.
Joe Vigil, Fox 5 News, Local, Las Vegas.
Also, the Nevada Division of Insurance says where you live can impact your rate significantly. Officials say Las Vegas zip codes generally have the highest auto insurance premiums in Nevada by a substantial margin. And by the way, if you want to watch the webinar on rising car insurance rates, just head to our website and we'll link you to it.